on our company's 4th year anniversary. Today's event takes place my gratitude to God, to our leaders, members, Optimians around the world, management team and staff of One Opti, to all stakeholders, business partners, and affiliates of the company. Maraming salamat sa support ninyong lahat. As we gather today, celebrating successful years, awarding to all leaders with each achievements, I congratulate all of you who made your dreams into reality. Congratulations to all who have formed part of our business journey and success for the past 4 to 6 years. Sa lahat ng mga awardees, binabati ko kayong lahat. Congratulations. Keep it up and dream more. The best is yet to come to all of you. I have mentioned it last year that we had already aligned our business to integrated and sustainable one. We have invested to our manufacturing plant and trading procurement company are now commercially operational. So ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Tama ba ako, VP? Toll manufacturing na po ang planta natin. Ibig sabihin, yung product ng ibang kumpanya, ginagawa na ng planta ni One Opti. Hindi lang One Opti. Why? Quality po ang nilalabas ng factory natin. So other companies are beginning to trust us. So we're producing quality and affordable products for our consumers and brands. These companies have been set up as an element of the support system chain for One Opti business. To every one of you, farmers, factory workers, suppliers within the Philippines and around the world, mas marami na tayong natulungan na lalong magkaroon ng pag-asa, mangarap, at matulungan sa pangkabuhayan. In my understanding from among other MLM companies, our products, aside from the quality that we can boost, our pricing did not increase considering the depreciation of the peso value since last year. Rising up the prices of the basic goods and commodities around the world. Alam nyo naman, nagkaroon ng giyera sa Russia and Ukraine. So, ang mahal talaga ngayon ng raw materials. So, para sa inyo, Optimians, we have maintained our pricing ever since the company started. Regalo po namin sa inyo yan. This is how we position our company to make your business journey convenient, affordable, and pro-distributors, earning potential to simply help you and protect your interest and welfare. Everyone should be proud and grateful. Our 4th year anniversary celebration made a historical journey and milestone to all of us. To the company, we value the importance of working together. We are much stronger united than divided. We remain resilient, committed to delivering long-term value for our consumers and shareholders, striving to become the preferred and fast-growing MLM company in the Philippines. Recently, magkakaroon po tayo ng award, yung company ng One Opti sa Thailand sa July 2023 from Asia Pacific Excellence Award as an outstanding products and achievers, a world-class award with a criteria of product service, features and quality, contribution to well-being within Asia Pacific consumers, public opinion and social media exposure, and affordable product pricing. Dapat po, proud tayo lahat kasi bibira po magkaroon ng award na ganito from the Philippines. Turning towards the impact on our integrated business operation, I would say it is one of the contributory of our sustained success, including your individual contribution and dedication of Optimians and leaders. One Opti Lifestyle International, from its humble beginning in the year 2017, naalala nyo pa yon? Office natin sa Mayon, sobrang liit. Malayo na ang narating ng ating kumpanya. Marami ng members ang natulungan sa kalusugan, pangkabuhayan, at masasabi kong nabago na rin ang mga buhay nyo. We have came a long way. We will work harder to assure everyone that the company will go a long way. We are all unstoppable. Malayo na ang narating ng kumpanya at mas malayo pa ang mararating nito sa tulong nyo. We will be continue to be aggressive to the domestic market saturation, including penetrating the countryside opportunities and business development. In terms of the product offering, matutuwa ang mga lalaki nito. Baka lumabas na ang OptiBoost. Alam niyo na kung ano OptiBoost? Narinig niyo na ang Robust? Yun na yun. And the Chloe Essential brand, yung cosmetic natin, yung cosmetic line natin. And to all the winners of our raffle draw, congratulations. All of you deserve it. I am happy that finally we have realized it after a year of postponement. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga winners ng mga brand new cars, motorcycles. Handog po yan ng kumpanya, ang lahat na yan para sa inyo. Bilang pasasalamat po. And finally, after this, we will be having our incoming travel incentive, travel to Bali, Indonesia. And sa mga hindi nakasama po sa GC, sa group chat ng international travel, almost 180 person na po ang nag-qualify. Siguro mga 3 eroplano na. I hope everyone are excited. Expect a lot more improvements in our business operations. We will continue to empower everyone to improve the lives of many, if not all. To live with our mission to bring wellness and beyond to the world and make this company to create more opportunities. Finally, our company pursued to bring together all of you Optimians to build stronger leaders, to enable a more prosperous results ahead. There is no better moment but to come together and collaborate. As we all need to grow, step up, level up our efforts towards a more progressive and build stronger, better, and bigger one of the future. Happy 4th anniversary po sa lahat. To God be all the glory. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chairman Marvin Barro.